Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. Happy Friday wherever you are around the world. Thank you for coming and kicking it with Crypto ZX today. So you guys know by the title of the video what this video is all about. It is about Bitcoin Cash. So what is happening with Bitcoin Cash? That might be the question that everyone has on their mind. What is happening with Bitcoin Cash? Why hasn't Bitcoin Cash hit $380? So, we're going to be talking about all that, everything revolving around Bitcoin Cash and where I could see the price going in the immediate short term. So if you like these kind of updates, smash that like button, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So as of June 30th, right before the month of June is closing, and speaking about the month of June, it has been insanely bullish for Bitcoin Cash holders, especially the ones that got in early. Give yourself a pat on the back. This month has been really good to you guys. So you guys sure are going to miss this month. But if we're looking at the price, before we get into the price, just a quick disclaimer, of course, as always, that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the price of Bitcoin Cash right now, $295.67. We're down a little bit, about 0.7%. over the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but it's up 0.1% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. If we're looking at its market cap, $5.7 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $1.9 billion. So right off the bat, you can see that the overall volume has decreased about $1 billion compared to yesterday. But is this a time to panic? I don't think so, and I will share as to why exactly that is. So before we get into the charts, look at this, guys. Speaking about charts, look at the Bitcoin Cash Google trend. It has been climbing up as days go by. More and more people are searching Bitcoin Cash. Why? Because Bitcoin Cash has gone up 250% in the matter of last 14 days. So of course, it's only normal to see that much hype coming into it, and Bitcoin Cash has triggered coins that are similar, hard forks, of course, Ethereum Classic, which is a hard fork of Ethereum, and we've seen eCash, we've seen Litecoin, but Litecoin is not as similar. Of course, Litecoin is totally different, but we've seen Litecoin and we've seen Bitcoin SV. All of these projects have really pumped up a lot, and that is mainly because of Bitcoin Cash. So what exactly is next? Now that we have seen insane growth, are we about to see a little bit of a retracement within the price of Bitcoin Cash? That is what we're going to be talking about. So today, if you guys are not aware, at 7:41 a.m., Watcher Guru posted this on their Twitter. Just in, SEC says spot Bitcoin ETF filings are inadequate. So all these ETFs that were proposed by all these big hedge funds, these institutions, SEC has come out and commented on that, and they have put it inadequate. So people are saying it's still really vague. They haven't really specified a little too much, but look what happened to the price of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin did react to that. Bitcoin went all the way down to $29,488, right? You can see this for yourself, and that is obviously normal to see happen after that announcement. But since then, we've seen Bitcoin go up another 3%, back above $30,500, and dominance on the other hand has decreased. But now you may be saying, what does this have to do with Bitcoin Cash? Settle down, guys, we're getting there. So look at what happened with Bitcoin Cash. So if this is your first time coming onto the channel, right, you might not have seen my other videos. So let's kind of just go down a little bit of memory lane. So you could see if you picked up some Bitcoin Cash, literally, guys, just at that 106 cents, $106 price point on June 20th, which is 10 days ago, you are up you saw the price of Bitcoin Cash go up 210%. Yeah. You have seen the price of Bitcoin Cash go up 210%. So if we're looking at it on the hourly time frame, let me show you something. Around this range, when we did see that SEC announcement coming around the June 10th price, which really impacted the entire cryptocurrency market, we saw Bitcoin Cash go down to $90. No one was touching it. No one predicted that we will see Bitcoin Cash hit $326 in literally 2 weeks from then. And what happened? That is what happened. And this really shows, that famous saying, be greedy while others are fearful, be fearful while others are greedy, is, a real saying. The people that were being greedy around here, while there was a massive panic sell going on across the board, are the ones that are enjoying these profits. But now comes the question, are we finally about to see a massive cool off happening? So what we have seen is we did see just today, literally today, we saw the price of Bitcoin Cash hit a new monthly high and a new yearly high, of course, $330.70. And I said in my previous update that, if Bitcoin hits a new yearly high, it's on its, Bitcoin Cash is on its way to that $384 mark. And I do expect that, if that were to happen, we will see a rejection. No matter what, we're going to see a rejection because the price has gone up a lot. That would put the price up literally 300% from the June 10th prices. So of course there is going to be some profit taking that is going to be done, and right now what we're seeing happening is a nice beautiful consolidation. You can see this for yourself. If I zoom in, you can see of course the price has been consolidating within this range, and it's holding really strong. Let me show you what I mean. So if I bring out the measuring tool from that $330 price point, we're only down about 11%. That is insane, guys. Let that sink in. Let's kind of sit back and let's kind of think about how insane that is. So Bitcoin has seen a retracement below 30,000 today, but we didn't see Bitcoin Cash hit its previous wick that was at $271. We only went to this 294 mark. And what is this showing us? This is showing us the momentum is still on its side. If we're looking at the volume, once again today, all-time high, at the beginning when we did hit that yearly high, which was today. But obviously that has decreased a little bit, as I've said earlier in the video. But right now what we're seeing happening is consolidation, but it's holding really strong against Bitcoin right now, guys. And I've told you guys this before. I've said this literally from the beginning. Bitcoin Cash is going to trigger retail FOMO kicking in. And I think that's already starting to show because people are starting to think from outside the box. Hey, you know what? Why are we going to pay full Bitcoin price when we can just pick up a Bitcoin Cash full for $294? Obviously, it's not going to go back to, $30,000 Bitcoin. But people see that ROI potential on Bitcoin Cash way higher, and all the retail interest that's coming in, the new money that's coming in, they don't understand how things work. Obviously Bitcoin has way higher market valuation. Bitcoin is the king of the market. So obviously the new money will still flow in thinking, it's still a better buy. Obviously not everyone understands. It takes time for you to understand how, the overall metrics work, but that is what's happening. And I think the bull market has started. I can't have anyone say, the bull market has not started. Altcoin season has begun. We've seen a lot of altcoins popping out, hitting some 14-month highs that we have not seen a lot of altcoins do, and Bitcoin Cash is really triggering this massive rally. But like I said, great consolidation we're seeing. We do want to see the price of Bitcoin obviously hold above this range. If it were to drop, be prepared that Bitcoin Cash could take a breather, possibly retest that wick that we saw at 274, which is a move of about another 7%, but potentially could even go back down to this 11% mark. And even then, it would be insanely bullish. Remember, this is part of the game. We're going to see consolidation. We're going to see cool-offs. Don't expect straight one line up all the way towards its all-time high. You're not going to see that. Have patience, because patience tends to pay off. But that is it for today's update. I want to hear from you guys. What are your personal thoughts? Where could you see the price of Bitcoin Cash going? And do you guys also agree that Bitcoin Cash is holding way stronger against Bitcoin? Let me know in the comment section. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.